So today we're going to replace the air filter on a Nissan Versa 2007 model, and your air filter is located just behind the battery, just over there. It has a tab on either side. You just press the tab in on the bottom like that, and you just pull up. It just lifts up like that. You can see some dust over there, so the first thing I'm going to do is just vacuum that out. The filter is just inside this cage, so you just pull it up and there it is. And just make sure you give your cage a good wipe so that none of that stuff goes back in. An old toothbrush is very handy for cleaning these little nooks and crannies. Once you've got your cage clean, you take your new filter and it just slips right on. Make sure it's seated properly. And then it's going to go in with these tabs to the facing the bottom. Just like that. Now we just have to replace the top cap. And that's it. Job well done.